So we're here at Guelph Drive Test Center, and today I passed from my full G test thanks to Mr. Harminder Suri, the greatest driving instructor in all of Toronto. What happened was, on October 31st, I sent him a text. Hey Harminder, I'm looking for like a confidence boosting lesson. I have 11 days to go for my drive test for my full G, and I'll need some confidence because before I wasn't as confident. I wasn't feeling like I was learning much from my driving instructor. And it just didn't click between me and my old driver instructor. So I thought to myself, you know what? I think I should give Harminder a chance because of his 0 to 100 confidence video. And the line that hit me hard in that video was if you ever feel judged while learning, it's not your fault. You deserve better. And I thought, and this is the time where I just texted him the message, booked a lesson on, I believe it was on the 2nd of November for 8 o'clock in the morning. From that lesson, I came very happy. My day was going so good, and my faith in passing my full G test went to its max. And I've taken few lessons with Harminder, and they were nothing but great. These were nothing but great lessons. We transformed my confidence from like a 0 to, I could say even more to 100. I would say even 1,000 or never-ending number in the world for this experience. And I'm very happy that I'm here having my full G test, and I'm just speechless. It's one of those moments that you don't know what to say. It's just your emotions that show that you're happy, that it finally worked out. Yeah, so any students like looking for a good driving lesson, Harminder is the best pick.